Afternoon, everyone. I would like to Kaushik ji, Rohit ji, please turn on your videos. Thank you so much. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome all of you for joining this webinar. My name is Ravinder Singh, working as a Assistant Vice President for House Seekers. Before moving, I want to introduce about House Seekers. House Seekers is a fastly growing technology company. We have a business spread across Mumbai, Delhi, and Pune with more than 600 happy customers. Our aim is to enable real estate buyers make the right choice at the right time. We always wish to make our home buying journey very simple and memorable for all customers. At House Seekers, transparency is a key to foster a culture of trust and understanding with every home buyer who walks in to our doors to seek our trusted service. Our thorough and meticulous process minimizes the risk of investing in a wrong project, and we never charge a single rupee from our customer. Now I would like to introduce our keynote speakers, Mr. Kaushik Patil, General Manager in Sales and Marketing at Xanadu Realty. And Rohit Singh as a realty expert from Xanadu Realty.
Good evening, everyone.
Kaushik ji, please throw us some light on current real estate situation and particularly land investment.
Sure. So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, once again. All right, we are here to introduce you a new asset class, which are plots, and particularly the product we are going to talk about are branded seaside plots. Right. I will just set up the context over here. Now, the product is such that all this while lot of people have been aspiring to buy plots, but we have never gone, or we have never idly looked for options to buy plotters because people are scared or they are rather skeptical because of the lack of transparency in this particular asset class. A couple of things which is a concern area is these plots, they may have litigation which is not transparent. The plots are not curated properly, right? Thirdly, the titles are not clear, right? So there are certain aspects which are unclear, and hence people don't go for this asset class. However, let me tell you that this is the asset class which has given highest appreciation. There is a report from Knight Frank also, like from 2008 to around 2018, land is an asset class which has given highest appreciation. Now, just to solve this particular problem, right? What we have done is, under the umbrella of House of Abhinandan Lodha, right? We will be the one who will be taking care of all these problems, right? We will be the one who will take care that the Satbara, the title deed is clear, there are no litigations, right? And it's a proper curated land parcel. What a consumer will get is a ready product. And in return, of course, an experience, a buying experience, a very smooth buying experience, right? So allow us some time to present you the product, post which we will take the question and answers as well, right? I'm handing it over to my colleague Rohit. He will take you to the product. Over to you, Rohit.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kaushik, for setting up such a good context and letting people know that what exactly today we will be talking about. And thank you, Ravinder ji, for having such a good introduction about us. So today we will be talking about that what exactly the Kaushik sir had just mentioned about. That's about the land and the benefit that what will be added over in terms of the land when it is coming from the House of Abhinandan Lodha. So I believe, Ravinder ji, my screen is visible to you, everyone.
Yes, you're audible and your screen is also visible.
Great. Thank you so much. So today everyone is able to see that it's an opportunity of a lifetime. That's true. It is an opportunity of a lifetime that is brought from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Because when you think about investing on land, it is not something that occurs in your mind in a regular intervals. It is something that once upon a time you think about, chalo, aaj ek land mein invest karte hain. But once you go and try to invest something, it takes a very longer time frame because multiple hurdles are being involved. And those are the exact same hurdles what we have pinpointed out, made it as a complete formation, and then we will be delivering to the customer. So it becomes easier for you to take a call in a day's time itself that where you want to invest in. So mainly the things that we revolve around the investment. Now, investment is something that people do to create a wealth. And why exactly people create a wealth? It's mainly for the brighter tomorrow, memorable experience, or maybe for the a retirement plan that a person has pre or post in time frame. And how exactly people have been doing investment is mainly via stocks, gold, fixed deposit, and apartments, houses. Why? Because these investments are the portfolios wherein you can easily go and invest over the online or your nearby stores or your development sites. But everything has some plus and some minus point. So let's see that what are the plus and minus being involved in this kind of investment portfolios. So when we talk about the stocks is something that is giving the most highest returns. It has got a very high upside potentiality. But at the same time, it's very volatile in the nature. If a person doesn't know how to invest in a stock, he might end up losing a lot of money. At the same time, when we discuss about the gold, which is one of the most Indian heritage culture to invest in, it's also the risk hedging, but it doesn't give you a very higher appreciation. It only gives you appreciation when there is a huge financial crisis. Then you have FDs, which are planned and zero risk. But what's the use of it if you're not getting a proper returns? The returns that you get here is only of 5%, 5.25% on the maximum side. And then you have apartment and houses wherein you get dual returns. You get rental as well as you get the sellable value. But there is also one small concern being involved in the investment. Here you have a barrier in terms of entry and also in terms of exit. And what is that barrier? That you have to minimum put 30 to 40 lakhs rupees to make a 1 BHK investment as well. And also at the time of when you are trying to resell it, you have to wait for 3 to 4 months to get that proper pricing. But when we talk about land has been one such asset which doesn't have any kind of a barrier. Here you can invest as minimal amount as you wish to. At the same time, it is also the most secured and safest asset as compared to any other. Also, it has been ensuring that it keeps you giving the most highest returns. So earlier in the previous section, Mr. Kaushik Patil also talked about a report from the Knight Frank. That same report is being displayed right in front of your screen, wherein you can easily see a data from 2008 to 2018, wherein the land has been one such asset which has been giving the maximum returns, almost returns of 134%, wherein all other investment portfolios are ranging only between 6 to 65%. That's almost a depreciation of 70 to 80%. And why exactly it is happening? Because land is only one such asset which is evergreen asset class. And that is the reason why people say that no one is making it anymore. You have the opportunity today, buy it today. Why it is exactly an evergreen asset class? Because it's timeless. It never depreciates. Hardly 29% of the world is covered via land, and on top of that, our property is the land by the sea, which is just 0.2%, and henceforth the supply is way too less, but demand is very high, and henceforth you never see the problem of the depreciation. Secondly, it keeps on steadily appreciating. Why? Because unlike other investment portfolios, it doesn't depend upon your market scenario in terms of your US dollar, American dollar, or the war scenarios. It purely depends upon your inflation and your development in the nearby vicinity. So inflation is something that grows 2 to 3% year on year. And the development is something, if a road gets constructed near to your plot areas, you get minimum 9 to 10% of the appreciation. And at the same time, it is the most an asset which is a legacy creating, which helps to create a legacy that you can easily pass on to your generation to generation. But still, many of the times, people are not able to invest in land. And why exactly is so? Because it's extremely very difficult to acquire. Today, if you Google it out, you might find n number of the opportunities and number of the options to make an investment in land. But those all lands, you might end up buying just a barren land with no support of electricity, water supply, or anything. And then you will run to municipal offices. At the same time, the biggest problem is the demarcation problem, which apparently no one provides you at the majority times. And henceforth, your plot or your land is always in a fear of an encroachment from your neighborhood itself. And though the paperwork are pretty simpler, but still there's a lack of the clarity on it because it changes from region to region and people gets confused. And these are the exact same problems what we would be trying to resolve in a particular manner. But still, even till date, when I talk about with investing in land with all these problems, still people are willing to take that risk because they know that it will be giving them the very high returns. At the same time, it is one of the most coveted asset because it will help them fund their future children's future education, or maybe it will help them to take a tour across the world with their family members, or maybe for a person who recently started his or career, have that small potential to invest a small money and then the later on stage getting a huge returns of it and then starting with a business plan. Or maybe for many of them who are very clear in their mind that I want to have this land piece with me, I want to have a particular place where I can construct my dream house. So what we are doing, well, is that if so many things are being getting involved in this land development, so let's bring a new concept in the market. Let's eliminate all the risk in the form of a branded land. And how exactly your branded land is different from land? So land is just a land parcel for sale, wherein you get to experience all the different problems that we just saw in the earlier slides. But branded land is something, it is a curation, it's a curated land parcel. A 70 acres of the development of ours, which will be a gated community. Hence, no fourth external factors will be involved inside. At the same time, all the norms of the government will be taken care of, and that is the reason why we are maintaining a 800-meter distance from the seaside. All your infrastructure, right from electricity, water supply to your roads, everything will be done before your possession. All the plots, be it a smaller, be it a bigger, everyone will have a proper demarcation with a 2 feet height of the fencings. Then definitely this project is coming from Abhinandan Lodha, who is known to design the most world-class amenities, and henceforth, though it's just a land development, still you will be enjoying the most thematic development with all the world-class amenities. Also, all the documentations, whichever is required, for example, South Paras Tract, NA certification, your registration, everything will be done in between your time frame of your registration and your possession itself. Then all the security systems that we are installing here will be synchronized directly from your smartphone. So you can easily access the securities right from your smartphone itself, sitting any across of the India. So the product has been really very conveniently designed so that the process becomes easier for a person to go ahead with. And now I would be introducing that what exactly a seaside means to a person. Because as I told you, my property is just 800 meters away from the seaside. That is the biggest key USP. So one, that definitely it becomes a dream asset for everyone, that everyone desires to have a house or a land or a property near to the seaside. At the same time, it always has a higher appreciated value. So just to, so here it's mentioned 75%. So just to give you a small explanation or example to this, let's take an example of Bandra as a market, which is one of the most famous location across India. Everyone knows about Bandra. But when you look at Bandra, and if you deep drive down in a micro market as well, there is two different places. One is a bandstand, and second you have a Turner Road. Now, both are just next to each other, hardly at 10 minutes of the difference, that your walking distance. But just because bandstand is the right in front of your bank shore of the sea line, it has almost 60% higher value than what a Turner Road has to give you, even a differentiation of 10 minutes only. So that's exactly the benefit even you would be having. So till now, what exactly I talked about? I talked about the land, which is a recession-proof asset, which never depreciates. I talked about the land by the sea, which always has a dream asset and becomes the higher attributed value as compared to any other. And now I'll be talking about my offering, that is the branded land by the sea, which will be giving an authentication to become a price holder rather than just being a price follower in this new entry-level market of Dapoli. And with this, I'm introducing to you all with my codename Bliss that talks about branded land investment stock schemes that is coming from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. I'm sure even you'd be excited to look upon that what exactly land was something before, but and what we are adding in this branded land concept. And with this, I will go unveiling this codename Bliss. But before we proceed, let me showcase you a small AV, which will help you understand that what exactly things we will be talking in the further slides. So 1 second, I'm playing the video.
Ever dreamt of staying close to the blissful sea, the splendid mountains, and perhaps even your heart? Introducing Codename Bliss. Discover seaside lifestyle plots at Dapoli from the house of Upland and Luther. Discover a life bestowed with nature's finest blessings. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking view of the hills, taking a leisurely stroll on the beach, letting loose with your kids in the lush greens, connecting back with the simpler joys of life and indulging in a lifestyle thoughtfully curated just for you. A breezy 5-hour drive away from both Mumbai and Pune, Dapoli and its magical charm is sure to mesmerize your mind, titillate your senses, and soothe your soul. Choose a lifestyle that comes with the promise of a growing investment and the assurance of one of the most inspiring legacies in real estate. The pristine mountains are waiting for you, and the azure waves are calling. It's time you truly experienced bliss with your choice.
So I'm sure this video would have really excited everyone. You saw about the mountains, you saw about the sea. So that's exactly the beautification of this whole development, and that is something that we'll be talking in the coming slides. Exactly. So that's what the introduction to the Bliss was. It's a game changer opportunity for everyone. Because as I told you, it's about the branded land investment stock schemes. That mainly means it's a brand coming from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. It's a land that's a seaside land plots, and it's an investment piece and upcoming location Dapoli. Apparently, when I talk about Dapoli, Dapoli is blessed to be supported by 9+ major infrastructure. Few are already ready, few are under the process, and few are coming in the coming times. And these are the reasons that why exactly Dapoli has been continuously seeing 12 to 15% year-on-year growth. Now, this is the appreciation that already Dapoli is already having existence. And think about with the coming times how exactly the things are going to be have a faster manner. The stocks are mainly the modular purchase. Apparently here the minimum size that you're having is of 2,500 square feet of the plot size. And that you can be multiplied into the multiples of 2, 3, 4 times as per the convenience of your size visibility or as per the convenience of your finance visibility. And scheme has been really very simplified digital buying process. We have made this whole process of the land buying as easy as buying a product over an Amazon or a Flipkart. So, what exactly a Bliss has to offer to the seaside life? It will be offering you a calmness and a relaxation state of a mind that will help your respiratory system to encourage your active lifestyle and give you a sense of a pride to have a more observant and experimental to be towards your nature side. And in terms of offering, the offering starts here from 2,500 and goes till 50,000 square feet in sizes, wherein you are getting the FSI 1.27 times, one of the biggest FSI that ever a development has got in Dapoli. Before this, all the developments had only the permission of the FSI of only 0.5 to 0.8%, wherein here I am talking about 0.27%, 0.1.27%. That is the biggest FSI that ever a development has got. And when I talk about the Dapoli, Dapoli is India's only one such place which is called as coastal hill station. Why? Because here you get to enjoy two different beauties of the world, that is your mountains as well as your seas both interacting with each other. It's exactly the same beauty what a person goes on an international trip to Bali to enjoy, and that same thing is being offered in Dapoli. It has got a very big history in terms of having a military camp by the Britishers in the 1800s, and so still today also many historical churches are found. Has a very good potential to become the next Alibag by 2020. So apparently the Dapoli as a market, as a price level, whatever it is today, it is exactly the same what Alibag was in 2010 or 2011. But Alibag took almost 10 years of a time frame to get that 159% of the appreciation. That's the exact quote number I'm giving you, 159%. But Dapoli is, as I told you, it's been blessed with 9+ major infrastructure, already getting 12 to 15% year-on-year growth. So what I'm saying, even if this 12 to 15% only continues without any extra push, still by 2025, in a period of 5 years itself, you will be getting that 150% in just a period of in a period of 5 years time itself. That's the appreciation we'll be getting in Dapoli. And it has always been a nature's best kept secret because of its hidden coastal paradise. wherein you get to enjoy multiple quaint beaches, and henceforth it has always been a hidden gem for all the investors. One of the major beach is here is the Kolthare beach, which is just next to our development in a hardly distance of 10 minutes. It is also the part of UNESCO World Heritage because multiple bird species are found in this location of its hill station. And then one of the best places in India to spot dolphins because of its clean water. Definitely, it has got a blend of a history from the local Maratha, because you can explore multiple places here in terms of your forts, temples, caves, small villages. So multiple places are there where you can easily go and explore out. Now here it's the slide about the connectivity, wherein I will be talking that what are the connectivities having a presence or what will be coming here. At the same time, how exactly these are helping to get an appreciation. So the very first connectivity you have also of the railway station, which is Khed railway station, just 40 minutes away from a development. But at the same time, a new railway station is also being introduced that is going to be a Mahad railway station. Then people who are residing in Mumbai will be the most happiest one to know this about that from Belapur Marina, a jetty service will soon be started for the Dapoli. Just in a period of 1.5 years time frame, people will be able to reach from Mumbai to Dapoli in a period of only 70 minutes. And as closer your place becomes to the city side, the prices of that particular second place increases in a very hiked manner. Currently, the nearest international airport that Dapoli has is one in the Pune, or second is in the Mumbai Santa Cruz, both roughly at a distance of 200 and 240 kilometers. But once this New Panvel International Airport is functional, it will just be at a distance of 165 kilometers. And how exactly it is going to benefit? It is going to benefit for not for only the Maharashtra people, but people coming from outside, so that they can easily get down at New Panvel, move towards Belapur in just a bit of 5 minutes, take a jetty and move towards Dapoli. So it will be a convenient drive for not for the people who are residing in Maharashtra, but for everyone who would be coming from outside of the Maharashtra as well. And definitely one of the major transportation route, that is the roadways, wherein you get a Mumbai Goa Highway, National Highway 17, or for the Punekars, a Pune Mangaon Road. Now both the highways are being expanded in a certain manner. So Mumbai Goa Highway is currently a 2-lane highway. It's being expanded to the 6-lane highway, and 60% of the work has been completed. At the same time, the people who are coming from Pune cross the Tamini Ghat. Now Tamini Ghat is also a 2-tar road, but even that is expanded to the 4-tar road. Now once these things are being done, definitely your time convenience will be reduced by minimal distances, and at the same time you keeps on getting the appreciation value. And here is the upcoming infrastructure in terms of the economic boost, because a market needs an economic booster to get a more higher appreciation value. And for that, Dapoli is once again being blessed to have Digiport and DMIC support, because Digiport is hardly at a distance, any distance from the Dapoli. And this Digiport is directly connected with your DMIC, that is Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor, one of the biggest projects right now of India. Henceforth, all the international trades that will be happening from international market will happen from Digi, and then it will move towards Delhi market via the roadways. And this ensures that people get an opportunity in terms of their workforce, employability, the wages, the salaries. And these things ensure that the cash inflow gets inside the market of Dapoli, and that brings an economic boost. And this in returns help you to take a advantage in getting an appreciation to your land property. So here is the Google Map location in front of you all. So we'll try to explain that what exactly and where exactly is my land being allocated, where you'd be having your allotment in the so here where I'm putting my cursor right now, here you get to see a U-shape formation of a blue color marking. That U-shape is my 70 acres of the development, which is apparently 800 meters away from the seaside. And if you notice very precisely, this whole development is designed on a hill cliff top. That means that as you keep going farther away from the seaside, the land leveling keeps on increasing, and henceforth it allows everyone to have as equivalent view as anyone in this development is having, with a 360-degree panoramic. And then you have an Kolthare beach here. Now to come down Kolthare beach, you have got two options. Either one, you can take a walk, or either two, you can take your car and drive down. So if you're taking your car, you have to drive by this yellow colored marked road, which is apparently 1.5 kilometer. But as I told you, we are just next to the beach area. So I highly doubt that anyone's going to take out a car for that particular small distance, because when you get out from this gate, you just have to get down from this hill cliff and walk straight towards Kolthare beach, which is just a distance of 850-900 meters. a time taken of only of 10 minutes to walk down at the Kulthare beach. So that convenient it is. Until now, I'm very sure that people will be thinking, okay, मैंने land बता दिया, मैंने branded land बता दिया, मैंने location बता दिया, but how exactly those location is going to look like? So in this next slide, let me showcase you my actual photographs of the site. So this is the very first photograph that you are able to see. This is from the very first line. Then you experience the second photograph slightly from the behind areas. And then you get to see a third image. Now here you get to see an example that how exactly your demarcation of the plots will look like. Approximately the 2 feet height of the fence. Site images, and now I will be taking you in this blueprint that how exactly this grand vision of 70 acres will look like. What are the amenities will be gonna be happening inside? So all the amenities that you will be having here will give you a lifetime experience, because every amenity with is based upon a vernacular architecture. Vernacular architecture basically means a theme basis of this local development, how exactly you see about Dapoli as a construction with all the construction of your woods, stones, red bricks. This becomes sustainable and cost effective for us, and in return, how exactly it helps you? It helps you in the form of having a lower maintenance cost. So let me introduce you very first amenity. It's an element of community center which will consist of co-working space, a music art dance center, and open air spaces. So multiple amenities for right from a smaller kid to an adult person to enjoy, a kind of a clubhouse. Then secondly, you have an aqua zone. Aqua zone with a theme basis of a greenery and water, and with all the gazebos and sit outs to have a roam around. An alternative image to that. And then you have a wellness center. Wellness center has an element of a meditation prayer goals in the open ground space. And in the inside rooms, you're able to see there you get to enjoy the spa and an indoor gym as well. And it's all being surrounded by your plot areas. Then the element 4 is your botanical garden, where you'll be having the lush variety of the plants. Now this is in terms of focusing so that all the multiple species of the birds that are found in Dapoli can have a fetch in this development and come and have that bird chirping, and you enjoy that chirping in your sound minds. Then all the multiple indigenous stonework, sitting spaces, and most modern open counter kitchen where you can easily enjoy your meals in terms of a breakfast or your lunches. Here you get to see the multi-sport play spaces where all the different amenities, right from a basketball court to your mini cricket pitch, a futsal turf, children play spaces, every kind of amenities will be available. And once again, this being surrounded by your plots. Now this image seems to be a very normal image that you see in your very daily basis life. But trust me, for this development, one of the most important key factor it is, because all the stock-ups of your groceries, hardware, and essential medicines will be available right inside your development, so you don't have to move out also. At the same time, as I earlier told you, it's going to be a smart security and app-based security system so that you can access your property sitting right across any corner of the India. And here you get to see a complete 70 acres of the development. So till now, whatever the amenities I was talking about, what we have actually done, we have spread it out rather than having an accumulation at one single place, so that one or the other amenities is very close by to one or the other plot areas. So the number one area which you're able to see is the sports amenities, all the sports amenities that I just talked about. Number 2 is the aqua zone. Number 3 is your community as well as your wellness center. And number 4 is your botanical garden. And all the light green colors with the white markings that you're able to see, those are my plots, which will be allocated in the month of February 2021, based upon the application what you all will be giving today. So today, to participate in this development, what exactly has to be done? So let's discuss about the commercials then. Here you have got multiple choices to select: Aqua, Laguna, Oceana, and Avente Grand. Mainly, Aqua is 2,500, Laguna 7,500, Oceana 25,000, and Avente Grand is 50,000. So basically, what you're able to see, it's all the multiplication of 2,500 to 2,345. So accordingly, also you can be take a combination of. To apply here, you have to fill a pre-booking form. That is all available over the online itself. And with that pre-booking form, you have to make a payment of 99,000 for Aqua unit of 2,500, and it keeps increasing as per the choice visibility of your inventory section. Once you have completed this pre-booking form with a token amount, a receipt is being generated that is being there with you over your email. And post this, the allocation happens in the month of February 2021. Once you give an approval that yes, Rohit, I am comfortable with the allocation, let's proceed. Then we go ahead with the registration within that same month. After that, your full payment in possession comes roughly around at the month of April 2021. So you get your possession, pay the 100% amount. So till now, let's have a slightly understanding that till now what we actually talked about the codename Bliss. We talked about the land, which is an evergreen asset class which never depreciates. Then we came down to a branded land by the sea that is really has become really easy to own, which hasn't been ever before. Then we introduced that what's the brand? It's the brand of House of Abhinandan Lodha. That's the reputed brand. That's the trust you would be getting here. Then we talked about the lifestyle experience that you will be getting. Why exactly lifestyle experience? Because having a seaside lifestyle, it's not something that you get in a really in a regular daily life basis. It's something some time of the opportunity you are getting. And then we talked about the Dapul as a location, which has always been a hidden coastal paradise or a hidden gem for every investor. So looking at these pointers, what I can say, the asset that I'm introducing to you today, it's priceless. We cannot set a particular price to it. But definitely if I want to sell something to you, has to give some pricing. Then only you can also proceed with that particular application. So let's understand that how exactly a pricing can be done. So when we look at the Mumbai, does you have any options to buy a land? No, not. Lonavala, definitely you have the option. You want to buy a 2,500 square feet of a plot? You can. But at what cost? At a cost of 1 crore, wherein you're not getting any kind of a brand, wherein not getting any kind of a seaside. It's only the hill station with a local developer or a local land piece. Then you have Alibag. Definitely in Alibag also you will get 2,500 square feet plot, but at a cost of 50 lakhs. And for what? Just for a local developer or a local land piece. And once again missing out on the feature of having a hill station. It's only going to be a seaside plot. Same goes for the Goa as well. So in Goa also, you get the plot, but at a cost of 75 lakhs. Once again, no brand and only the seaside. But when you talk about my project, the Bliss in Dapuli, here you are getting hill station, here you are getting seaside, here you are getting a brand. So it has become a really very easy to acquire to make your decision in terms of having that buying process. So let me introduce a pricing to you. A pricing of 12.5 lakhs rupees, 12 lakh 50,000 rupees. This is, I guess, one of the best pricing that anyone can offer in this scenario, in this market today for such beautification of a development. But I guess you have come in the pre-opportunity, correct? So let me give you some offer to this. This price we will be having after 28th of February, once your registration is done. So what exactly the offering is for you all people? For you all people, the offering stands at 9.9 lakhs. That is 9,90,000 rupees of your unit cost. Even when I add up the infra cost to this, I add up stamp duty, I add up registration, I add up inclination charges. Still, the all-inclusive cost comes to only 12,52,000 rupees. 12,52,000 rupees is the all-inclusive price for today, which in the month of February, it is going to be only the unit cost. And on top of this, you'll be having all your additions of stamp duty, registration, everything. Total boils down to roughly around 17 to 18 lakhs rupees. That's almost a saving of 5 to 6 lakhs rupees that you are making today. But still, we have this launch, we are running this launch for a very long time, and everything has an end date to everything. And even this launch is coming to that end date, and the end date is the 4th of October. So the pricing for this and the availability for you to come and book here is only available till 4th of October. So people who have really understood the opportunity, have really known the importance, I'm sure they would be the one who would be the first one to give us a call. Or when we are giving a call, they would be the first one to let us know, Rohit, let's go ahead with an application. Or XYZ, let's go ahead with an application. And that has to be taken before 4th of October, because this is a lifetime opportunity that never is going to come back once you miss it out. A brand, a seaside, a development in terms of your hill station, it's very rare. But at the same time, what I will suggest today, when you're going to book, don't think about investing only for one plot, not for 2,500. Book for 2 aqua plots, total of 5,000 square feet. Because today, when you are investing in one plot, it will help you to invest for your second plot as well with a particular pricing factor. Because when you compare a pricing of today and what you'd be having in the month of February for 2 plots, you are saving almost 5.2 lakhs rupees. Today it's 9.9. The price of 2 goes roughly around at 20 lakhs. In the month of February, for the price of 2 lakhs will go around roughly around at the price of 25 lakhs. almost a differentiation of 5 lakh rupees that you get to see. So that's exactly what I'm saying. When you're buying one single plot, the pricing is 12.52 lakhs, 12 lakh 52,000. Almost the half of the price is being getting saved today as compared to today's price with your February's price. Henceforth, I would say that buy two plots because you'll be able to save 42% of the pricing in this pre-launch offering rather than going with a main offering in the month of February 2021. So this was something about my development. This was something about the commercials, and I'm very sure that people must have really liked it. And I really hope when I am giving you a call, my team is giving you a call, we get a huge response in terms of directly getting into the application mode, because the day is left very few. We don't have a lot of days to think about them. So with this, now we can take your question and answers. We can try to answer all your, we will be able to put our maximum efforts to answer all your questions. And I believe that Kaushik sir would be in a more better position to help everyone has their questions answered. So Kaushik sir, over to you.
Sure. Thank you, Rohit, for your presentation. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've liked the presentation, right? I'm sure you will have questions, so we will take it one by one. You can enter your questions in the Q&A tab, right? And we will take you through that.
So I would request all the customers, if you have any questions, we would be happy to answer those. You can put that questions in the question and answer section. We have already started getting questions. So I would like to, there's one question from anonymous attendee. How much is the size of house that can be built on a 2,500 square feet plot in this project?
Sure. So the FSI for this particular plot is 1.27, right? So if you're buying a plot which is 2,500 square feet into 1.27, that's around 3,125 square feet to be precise. That is the plot, 175 rather. Sorry for that. That is the size you can construct. What Mr. Nirmal Jai Singh is asking, what is the basis of allotment? Allotment, so right now you just have to apply, and of course it is on timestamp basis. So person who has come earlier will get the plot earlier, right? We'll allocate it to him earlier, right? And in this chronological order, we are going to allocate the plot to you. Can we visit the site in 2,500 square feet? How big villa can be made? So yes, you can visit the site, Mr. Kush Ajwani, right? However, it will be, I mean, for now, we don't have much time for that because we shut next weekend by 4th of October. Anyways, right now you are just applying and you're not purchasing. You will be, I mean, once after making the application, we are going to invite you there in the month of February, right? And that's when you get an opportunity to see the site. Mr. Anonymous Attendee, can you show Lodha Padmavati project location and codename Bliss? Mr. Anonymous Attendee, there is a Lodha Padmavati project which is adjacent to this, right? If you're asking such questions, I'm sure we've gone through the presentation. We'll be happy. You can share your number and name. We'll be happy to assist you on one-on-one basis, please. Yeah, thank you. Mr. Harsh Parekh, once again, revisit the pricing, please. It is projected for you, Mr. Parekh, on the screen. You can go through that. I want to buy, that's Mr. Mitesh Shah. I want to buy 10,000 square feet. Will it be good to buy 4 adjacent plots of 2,500 or one plot itself? I would, of course, recommend you to buy adjacent to each other, because if someone you're getting a buyer of 10,000, so you can sell it together. You're getting 2 buyers of 5,000. Then again, also you can sell it. So it's always recommended for you to buy it adjacent to each other.
Next question is from Sunil Kumar asking, is there a bank loan available for this plots?
Yes, Mr. Sunil Kumar, we have an HDFC product which will be introduced to you in the month of February. It's an HDFC plot loan product. The loan tenure will be 15 years and the rate of interest is a little more, like 0.5% more than your housing loan. So currently it will be ranging between 8 to 8.5%. And the LTA would be around 60%, LTV of around 60% for this.
Next question is from Rahul Gupta. How much time to travel from Nerul to the site by road?
Mr. Gupta, currently the time taken would be close to 4.5 hours from Nerul, I would say. Rather, to give you like from Panvel, it's going to be 165 kilometers from the airport. However, with the construction and the broadening, NH66, as I'm sure all might be aware, this is a Mumbai-Cochin highway, and it's going to be a 4-lane highway. By 2024 is the delivery, and the time taken by then will be 3.5 hours.
Anonymous attendee is asking, can we build hotel on this plot?
No, Mr. Anonymous attendee, you cannot build a hotel on this plot. Of course, you can look for homestays. Saffron Stays is one of the company which is doing that. Since we have an NA for residential, it will be only applicable for residential stays.
Prakash Inani has a question. What will be the maintenance charges for a month on plot only and on villa?
Mr. Inani, maintenance charges on the plot is, so supposingly I take a 2,500 square feet plot, the maintenance is 5 rupees per square feet. Yeah, the 5 rupees is constant and then multiplied by size of plot. So for a 2,500 square feet plot, it will be around 12,500 rupees, which is the maintenance charge for a year. Now, in terms of the maintenance of the villa, that is at your disposal, right? So it will be your baby, Mr. Inani.
Next question is from Arvind Dubey. Will everyone be getting sea-facing plots?
Yes, Mr. Dubey, everyone is going to get the sea view from here, right? To set up the expectation, right, this is an inclined land parcel. The farther you go from the sea, the land parcel keeps on, it's inclined, as I said, it's a theater kind of setting. Of course, when you're building houses adjacent to each other, there's a height restriction for building your houses, right? And everyone from the first floor or the terrace will get a sea view. I'm not saying from the ground floor. We have the plots which are right in front of the sea, which are going to be 25,000 and 50,000 square feet plot. Those are in the pricing of 1 crore to 2 crore, right? So those might get, but for others, it's from the first floor and the terrace. The only difference will be just for everyone to relate. If you're staying in a resort which is close to a sea, right? Someone would have his hotel room, which is there, a resort room, which is like 2 minutes walking distance from the sea. Some other guest, right, would have probably the room which is like 5 to 6 minute or 4 minute walking distance from the beach. That is the only difference. The view will be constant for everyone. Mr. Anonymous attendee, if I build a house, can I rent it out? Of course you can. I mean, we would not have any objections for it, right? You can rent it out, of course. Mr. Yogendra Gangrade is asking what is it will add on cost for amenities maintenance cost. Amenities cost is what is included in the price sheet for you. That's a one-time charge, and the maintenance cost, as we've already discussed, it's 12,500 per year. Mr. Aditya Tare, apart from FSI, what are the spacing between villa units I need to keep apart? There is no such rule in terms of spacing, right? We have like we have in Mumbai, right? However, depending on the architect, the design he will give you, you can build your villa. Usually, people prefer keeping a space of 3 feet on either of the sides or both the sides. Mr. Harsh Parekh is asking, if you buy 2 or buy bigger plot size, what is better option? I would say a 7,500 square feet plot is also a good, but if you're looking for 5,000 square feet, then you'll have an option only of buying 2 plots together, Mr. Parekh. But yes, talking about the market, there will be demand for higher plots, higher size plots also. Mr. Anonymous attendee, what is the length width for 2,500 square feet plot? What is the current market value in terms of square? The current market value is the market value we are selling at, right? And it is a pre-launch rate, so hence you're getting it at a very, very good, I would not say discounted, but a good offer rate, which you can talk about. Length and width will be disclosed when in the month of February to you once the allocation is done, because we are in the process of doing the plotting. However, it's a properly curated land parcel. It is not a square which is 50 by 50 supposedly, but a little of a rectangle which will be there, right? Mr. Mahesh Kataria, by when project will complete and will be available for use? Mr. Kataria, the project, the timeline is such that February, March, when we allocate you, you come down, you see the plot, you like the plot, and you decide to go ahead. Post that, you do the stamp duty registration. After doing the stamp duty registration, like proceeding with it, by May or June next year is the possession which will be given to you. And that's when it will be available for use. Mr. Rahul Gupta is asking, is loan facility available? Yes, Mr. Gupta, loan HDFC plot loan product is available, right? It will be deployed in the month of February. How is payment, Mr. Aditya Tare, how is payment plan by month? We just discussed this, Mr. Tare. So February is the registration, and then by May, June next year is the possession. The entire payment will be due by then. Ms. Mary Coutinho is asking, what will be the construction cost approximately for a 3 BHK basic? If you go for a 3 BHK, it will be, I mean, a larger one would be 1500 square feet, right? In city currently, in a city like Mumbai, the 3 BHK is around 750 square feet or 850, 900 square feet, which is a good one, right? 1500 square feet basic, and the cost will be, say, like good, it ranges from 800 to 1500, and sky is the limit. This cost depends on the bathroom fittings, the sanitary fittings you're going to use over there. However, the basic cost, I would say ballpark, to average it out, 1000 rupees is more than enough. So for a 1500 square feet in 15 lakh rupees is what you can construct a 3 BHK over there. Mr. Anonymous attendee, can you show the latest pic of the plot? It was there in the presentation. Yeah, that's the view latest. We are going to invite you over there. So right now the trees are being cut. The pic which you are showing is Lodha Padmavati pic, right? And it is purely for the view. It is purely for the, we are not showing plots to anyone because plots are not yet, it's in process. Everything is in process now. So ideally we would not be able to show you that right now. Mr. Tarun Ramchandaniv is asking, I missed the full conversation. Please let us know what am I getting for 9.9 lakh per 9 lakhs, whether it can be used as a holiday home or can be given on rent. For 9.9 lakh rupees is the plot cost. The all-in cost is 12.52 lakhs, Mr. Ramchandaniv. And of course, this includes your amenity, which has the community center, the wellness center, the aqua zone, which is there, right? Of course, you can use it as a holiday home. You can give it on rent also. If you're talking about Airbnb, then that's something which will be doing at your discretion, and you'll have to connect yourself with Airbnb for this. But yes, there are people who have bought it with this purpose also. Mr. Dubey is asking, can we use my property to build a guest house for a commercial purpose? It is a homestay which you can build. This is not any commercial, this is any residential, right? So for a guest stay, yes, you can, but not for a resort or a hotel, right? Mr. Anonymous attendee, so we will get only the plot. Will you help developing the plot? Yes, Mr. Anonymous attendee. We would not help developing the plot, but we'll give you contacts of our M-paneled architects, right? However, you will have your flexibility of getting your own architects also. So you can liaise with our architects, get your design, decide on your cost and give them to construct, or you may get your own architect. Ms. Teja Sai, by when the entire project development will be done? By May, June 2021 is the possession which will be handed over to you. Ms. Smita Baliga is asking, is the 99K 1000 application paid refundable? Yes, Ms. Baliga, the model is such that February when we invite you there and you don't like the plot, right? Of course, you're going to give you an alternate plot. If you still don't like that, worst scenario will be we'll have to refund you the amount. And yes, it is fully refundable. Yeah, it's there in my terms and conditions, so it is fully refundable. Mr. Mitesh Shah is asking, will the bungalow construction by Lodha or we can construct as per design past? Roughly the cost of construction villa on 2,500 square feet. Mr. Mitesh, it depends on how much you want to construct on a 2,500 square feet plot. Cost per square feet will be ballpark 1000 rupees. right? So you can do that, and we'll be giving you contacts of architects, and you have flexibility to get in your own architect also. Mr. Anonymous attendee, does this for Lodha Builder or its son's project? Lodha is the family name, right? Irrespective of the son or the father doing it, it's the Lodha family. But to answer your question, the younger son, Mr. Abhinandan Lodha, and hence it is House of Abhinandan Lodha, right? Can we give on rental? Yes, you can give it on rental, Mr. Pratik Shah, right? Ms. Priyanka Shah is asking, if you want to build house, who will be designing it and how much would be the approximate cost? We have answered this question, so I'll skip this, Ms. Shah, right? Mr. Aniruddha Dingankar. Okay, I'm quite familiar to this name. I've seen this name in a lot of webinars since past couple of weeks. If that's the same gentleman, right? Mr. Dingankar, if you can share your number, you can call me if you have any doubts, right? Which plot are near to the sea, aqua or other plot? All plots are seaside plots, Mr. Dingankar, right? And that is the product USP. Mr. SG, construction of villa will be uniform design. No, there is no such restrictions as such. Mr. Kush Ajwani, sorry, you said 5 rupees per square feet. That comes 12,500 for a month. It is 5 rupees per square feet for a year. So the 12,500 is for a year, Mr. Ajwani.
So Fansalkar is asking who will be helping in building the house.
Yeah, so you'll have to build it yourself. We'll be providing you the architect contact, right? Ms. Smita Baliga again, do you facilitate construction? Yes, we'll give you the contact of architects. Yeah. Mr. Aditya Tare, is it possible to construct G+2 floor villa? If so, what is the cost per square feet? It is possible to do that, but I'm not too sure about G+2 because there is a height restriction of 6 meters. So whatever you build has to be within those parameters. So it's a G+1 basically. Can we build duple, and what is the height restriction? So yeah, you can build a duple G+1, height restriction is 6 meters. Mr. SG, do you have any buyback warranty? No. Usually buyback are offered by the developers who are in need of money. So fortunately, you are dealing with Lodha developers, so no such scheme available. By what times will the project be ready? By May, June 2021, the project will be ready. The possession will be given. Mr. Tarun Ramchandran, if is it a build house or land only? No, we will be providing you just the land for now. House you have to build on your own, right? Mr. Anonymous attendee, is it necessary to build bungalow as per Lodha tie-up vendor, or we can choose our construction team? You are free to choose your own construction team. It is also not necessary to build a bungalow. You can choose to keep the plot vacant, but since we are selling it in retail, and to the end users and not the investors, right? I mean, majority, a lot of people who are buying with an intention of constructing a villa. Mr. Anonymous attendee, Maharera number will be shared with you in the month of February, right? Everything will be done by then. The NA, everything will be completed, right? Mr. Ravi Singh, is it freehold or lease property? It is a freehold property, Mr. Ravi Singh. Also, in terms of the title deed, it will be in your name. Who will be designing the houses on the plots? You yourself, Mr. Anonymous attendee, you and your architect will be designing it for yourself, right? How the allocation will be done, lucky draw or choose will be provided. It's timestamp basis, first come, first basis, right? Initially, we had opened just 50 acres of land parcel, but looking at the response, right, we've opened the entire 70 acre. Don't worry about the availability. You will get a good plot over here, and we want to ensure. Otherwise, we wouldn't have been selling now. So we also want to ensure that people who are participating, it is just 99,000 rupees, not a big amount for us, for any developer, not his interest. Also, his interest is in a customer buying with him. So our interest will be to allocate a good plot to you, and we have to ensure that you will like that plot. So please be rest assured about that. Okay.
It's 17 hours.
Mr. SG, does it have coastal zone restrictions? What is the present status of land? Have you bought it in your name? Yes, it is in our name, and once you buy it, it will be in your name too. That is the USP, right? And coastal zone restrictions, I mean, just the basics one, which I have told you about the height restriction, right? We are already 800 meter away from the high tide line. So it is in CRZ3 and we've got all the approvals in place. Yeah. Mr. Tarun Ramchandran, hello, please answer my question. Tarun, yeah, what is your question, Mr. Tarun Ramchandran? I'll let you talk also. Mr. Ravinder Singh, इनको जरा बात करें, इन्होंने questions तो बताए, हमने सब आंसर तो किए हैं. So
Yes.
yeah, we will do that, Mr. Ramchandran. We'll let you talk after this. I'll just unmute in a while. Okay. Mr. Nirmal Jai Singh, what are the modes of payment for paying the application fee? Also, it is refundable if you don't make the allotment in February. It is refundable to you. It is fully refundable. Okay. February you can consider plus minus 1 month, right? And talking about the modes of payment, we have a CC Avenue gateway. You can NEFT the details. You can do a check payment. Also, if you stay in Bombay, you can deposit it to the nearest bank also. Right? Mr. Nitin Gotpagar, now that we have 70 acre land, they may have plot. Sorry, I now 70 acres land. Then, how many plot are you building on that? Yeah. So sorry. Yeah. So I got your question. So Mr. Gotpagar, we will be building, say, close to around 750 odd plots on this, right? Mr. Mitesh Shah, is 2500 square feet carpet or loaded, Mitesh? This is land, so there is no loading on this. 2500 square feet size of plot you get, you can construct into 1.27. Land में कोई loading नहीं होती. और आजकल तो रेसिडेंशियल में भी लोडिंग नहीं होती. गए वो दिन. इट्स रेरा कारपेट नाउ.
Yes.
Mr. Win B, sorry, joined late, so apologies if this has been answered already. Why can't we find the details of this project on official Lodha website? You must be checking the Lodha website of Lodha developers. These are two different entities. This is under Lodha Ventures, right? And hence you may not be finding it. Lodha developers is a residential and a commercial brand. This is a brand of plot, right? And a consultancy firm. So Lodha Ventures is an NBFC and this brand is under the umbrella of Lodha Ventures. Mr. Anonymous attendee, will there be any help provided from Lodha's team in case someone needs help to build a house on the plot? Of course, Mr. Anonymous attendee, will be providing you contact of the architects, right? Anonymous attendee, sea beach kilometer from the plot. Okay, so you mean the distance? Okay, the distance is the sea is if you're going by road, you have to and a vehicle if you have to take, you have to come out of the plot and drive say around 7 minutes, which is close to around 1.5 kilometer. There is a walkway through the plot also, which is the closest. Okay, Mr. Tarun Ramchandran, okay, so I am answering your question now. So you mean we have to construct the house? You don't have to construct the house. We will provide you architect and he will get you contractors and they will construct for you, right? You're free not to construct the house also, right? So don't worry about this, Tarunji. There are other people also who are sailing in the same boat. There are people who are into this business of buying plots and they have bought plots with us, considering this as an opportunity कि उनको आगे business मिलेगा. So there are a lot of local developers from Pune also who have purchased with us. ठीक है? You are free to decide कि किसको आपको project देना है. We will give you number. Okay, now once we give you contact number, आप उनसे बात कीजिए, आप 10 और लोगों से बात कीजिए, and then you take your decision depending on the cost, the quote they give you, number one, and then depending on the skill set, उनका काम देखोगे, वो उनको आपका portfolio बताएंगे, उसके हिसाब से आप उनको contract दे दीजिए. It's completely your decision. Yeah. Mr. Anonymous attendee, can NRIs and OCIs buy these plots as well? Yes, you can buy the plots. Only thing you need to take care of the registration part. So if you're an NRI and abroad, so then you might have to figure that out. कि कैसे आप करोगे, might arrange for a POA, power of attorney, and get that done. Mr. Anonymous attendee, if I build bungalow, can I rent it on Make My Trip or OYO day basis? Okay, all right, I got your question. Okay, guys, a lot of people are asking this question. सबको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं घर खरीदूंगा, OYO पे दूंगा, Airbnb पे दूंगा, right? I will talk the practical part of it. Out of 365 room nights, you give it for 100 room nights, right? आप 365 रूम नाइट्स नहीं दे पाओगे. यू डोंट हैव अ सेल्स टीम विद यू, राइट? यू गिव इट टू Airbnb, Oyo, and the complete dependency is on them. ठीक है, तो लेट्स बी क्लियर ऑफ दिस फैक्ट कि आप 365 नाइट्स के लिए या 300 नाइट के लिए भी आप पूरे साल में ये बंगलो रेंट पे नहीं दे पाओगे. प्रैक्टिकल पार्ट इज यू कैन रेंट इट फॉर से 100 रूम नाइट्स. इसमें अगर आप रिटर्न काउंट करें तो 3000 रूम नाइट, मतलब अभी आज पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे भी, लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे भी दापोली वाज सेलिंग एट से 3000 रुपीज पर रूम नाइट. तो इसमें जो आपका 100 रुपीज 100 नाइट्स के हिसाब से आता है, तो आपका रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट एक 7 to 8% आता है. ऑफ कोर्स उसमें प्लॉट वगैरह आप कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे तो वो जाएगा आपका 5% के आसपास या 6% के आसपास. ठीक है, इट इज स्टिल अ गुड रिटर्न बिकॉज रेसिडेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट ओनली गिव्स यू 2% रिटर्न आज, और लेस देन दैट. आप थाने में इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, बॉम्बे में कहीं पे भी इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, या पुणे में इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, रेसिडेंस आपको सिर्फ 2% से कम इन्वेस्टमेंट देगा. फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इट मेक्स सेंस. But the main story here is not rental income. The main story here is capital appreciation. Dapoli is an upcoming location. आज अलीबाग 3 साल पहले 500 रुपया स्क्वायर फीट था. Today it is transacting at 2500 square feet. Capital appreciation is the main story, people, and not the rental income. Rental income में जो आएगा फिर उधर मेंटेनेंस में जाएगा, आप उसमें टैक्स भी भरोगे, सब कुछ होगा, तो रिटर्न तो मोटा मोटी 4 to 5% ही आएगा. Not more than that, but it's still a good return. बट अगर 5% है तो why this तामझाम? तामझाम is because you're getting the capital appreciation. ठीक है. Mr. Anil Arora, I missed the part as how many square feet plot can be built on a 25. Mr. Arora, 2500 square feet plot पे आप 3100 का 175 का कंस्ट्रक्शन कर सकते हो. आप जितना भी स्क्वायर फीट का प्लॉट लगे, 5000 का लेते हो तो FSI सिंस मेरा 1.27 है, आप 1.27 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए तो उतना आपका कंस्ट्रक्शन में बिल्डेबल एरिया हो गया. ठीक है. मिस्टर निर्मल जय सिंह, व्हाट आर द मोड्स ऑफ पेमेंट? we offer everything except the cash, so check your payment gateway, everything. Yeah. Mr. Anonymous attendee, how many total plots are demarketed and being sold? So right now people are just applying, right, and around 750-800 plots in total will be there. Is it freehold or lease property? It is a freehold, Mr. Anonymous attendee. Mr. Prakash Inani, what is the height from sea of plots? So yeah, so from sea, 500 meters from the high tide line is the cliff. उसके बाद एक ढलान है जो 300 मीटर की है, and then is the plot. So the entire thing is, and this ढलान is around 200 feet. So though the distance is 800 meters, the aerial distance is little less from the sea. And to answer your question, the height is 200 feet. Mr. Tarun Ramchandaniv, some people want to know the total cost to build it and time to build 2500 square feet. We just answered this question, Mr. Tarun Ramchandani. Some people, okay, so are you a group of people who would want to know with you also? And a lavish cost will be how much and how many story can I build? Okay, so we already answered this question. Lavish is अंबानी के आर्किटेक्ट को आपको बुलाना पड़ेगा जिसने उनके लिए बांधा है, एंटिला जिसने बांधा है. So lavish is, there is no limit to this, right? You can call for stone and Italian marble from Italy, right? You can call for a big some good Giorgio Armani design marbles and build your house. So there is no limit to this. But एक आम आदमी जो यहाँ पे 12.5 लाख का प्लॉट खरीद रहा है वो 1000 रुपया स्क्वायर फीट खर्च करेगा सर. ठीक है. Mr. Tarun Ramchandaniv, G+1 means above that will we have terrace? Yes, Mr. Ramchandaniv. Can we sell the plot to you or someone else before possession is required? Yes, you can sell it to me. मेरे पास पैसे होंगे तो मैं खरीद लूँगा, but yes, you can sell it to someone else also, right? There is no such restrictions. You are locked in only till possession. Don't worry about it. And you would not want to sell it. At least hold this for 6 to 7. म्यूचुअल फंड में भी इन्वेस्ट करते हो, you get return after 5 to 6 years. 2 साल में no financial consultant would advise you that. So buy your plot, hold it for at least 5 years. Sir, you spoke in Hindi, Dheeraj. Yes, Dheeraj जी, मैं आपको अनम्यूट करता हूँ. ठीक है, आपको और तरुण जी को, हमें रविंदर जी इनको भी अनम्यूट करना है, तो धीरेन्द्र जी मैं आपके क्वेश्चंस आंसर कर लूंगा. ओके. Mr. Kush Ajwani, so without Maharera number we have to pay the advance. देखिए, महारारा नंबर के पहले एडवांस आज इसके पहले भी लोगों ने भरा है, उनके घर मिले हैं उनको. It's just that there is this new era of Mahar-era number which is there. We are not saying we are not going to have Mahar-era number. ठीक है, एडवांस वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग एंड इन प्लॉट देयर इज अ प्रोविजन की महारेरा नंबर की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. बट इन फरवरी जब मैं आपको एसडीआर करूंगा उस टाइम पे महारेरा नंबर आएगा. सो प्लीज बी रेस्ट अश्योर्ड. महारेरा नंबर कब आता है? अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन बिल्डिंग के लिए आता है. ये प्लॉट से अपने, दिस इज अ डिफरेंट एसेट क्लास. यहाँ के रूल थोड़े अलग है मिस्टर अजवानी, ठीक है. Mr. SG, please explain payment plan schedule again. Sure, Mr. SG. So right now you pay 99,000 rupees. In the month of February, आप stamp duty registration करते हो, and in the May is the possession wherein the full amount is due. Mr. Anonymous attendee, is this project similar to Ambi Valley project of Lonavala? No, Ambi Valley में आपकी theme है, ठीक है. So वो theme हमने नहीं रखी है. You're not locked in. Ambi Valley, the cost is superly high, super duper high. It is not, right? तो वैसा यहाँ पे नहीं है, ठीक है. कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज ने एम्बी वैली में लिया. हमारे यहाँ पे भी कुछ मतलब बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज ने नहीं लिया है, लेकिन यस थोड़े सीरियल एक्टर्स ने एंड स्पेशली आपके मराठी सीरियल एक्टर्स ने वगैरह प्लॉट्स खरीदे हैं हमारे उधर, ठीक है. सो एक वो डिफरेंस है एम्बी वैली और हमने. Mr. Sandeep Padhe, total number of plots category wise, I would not have the exact breakup, Mr. Padhe, but to answer your question, 30% is around 25 to 50,000 square feet, 30% is around 7,500 square feet, balance 40% is your 2,500 square feet. This is the ballpark thing which you're doing. Mr. Sandeep Padhe, again, website, it is there. We will take you through it on one-to-one communication when we have. So we do have the website. You see the online booking, what Rohit has just put, that's codenamebliss.com online booking, right? So there is a website. We will take you through that. Please share your contact details or we will connect with you and we will answer all your queries. Mr. Anonymous attendee, will there be common sewer and other required civil electricity amenities provided commonly to all plots? Yes, Mr. Anonymous attendee, that's the USP of this plot. So your electricity, sewage, water, road, everything will be taken care by us. So you don't have to worry about that, right? Mr. Anonymous attendee, again, can I free to choose my own design of bungalow? Yes, you can. Or it's restriction? No, there is no such restriction. Only restrictions is the FSI. Mr. Dheeraj Gondge, sir, address share for land. Yes, Dheeraj ji, आपका नंबर इनका नंबर होगा ना. धीरज जी आपके साथ एक 1-to-1 फिर करेंगे.
धीरज जी आपको अनम्यूट भी किया है, तो आप अगर कुछ है तो आप अभी पूछ भी सकते हैं.
धीरज जी बताइए.
अच्छा सर, मुझे ये पूछना था. हेलो.
यस यस, सुनाई दे रहा है सर, सुनाई दे रहा है.
सर लैंड कहाँ पर है और मैं लेट ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ तो मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है कि एक्चुअल प्राइस क्या है और कैसे कैसे पेमेंट करना है.
तो धीरज जी एक काम करते हैं, देखिए लैंड का तो मैं आंसर आपको दे देता हूँ कि कोल्ठरे करके जो विलेज है दापोली में, ठीक है, एंड ये कोल्ठरे बीच भी है, वहाँ पे ये लैंड है हमारा, ठीक है. सिंस आप लेट ज्वाइन हुए, हमारे पास आपका नंबर ऑलरेडी है जो आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए यूज किया है. हम
हाँ
आपको
सर.
ये वेबिनार के बाद एक अलग से वापस कॉल कर लेंगे. मिस्टर रविंदर सिंह है वो, और उनके ऑफिस से आपको फोन आएगा. एक चाहिए तो
अच्छा.
प्रेजेंटेशन आपके लिए वापस से एक और बार हम करा देंगे.
ओके ओके सर.
ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू. Mr. Anonymous attendee, can I build 2 houses on one aqua plot? If it is in the parameter of the 3,000 square feet, you can build. What will be the approximate? But again, आपको वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मीटर एक ही मिलेगा, तो आप 2 घर भले बांधे तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मीटर एक है, तो आपको वो इंटरनल अरेंजमेंट आपको करनी पड़ेगी उसकी, ठीक है. Mr. Nirmal Jai Singh, what will be the approximate average cost of construction for a 3175? So it's 1,000 rupees per square feet, right? Mr. Anil Arora, is there any restriction to sell the plot after getting possession? No such restriction, but I would recommend you to hold for 5 to 6 years at least to get a good return out of it, right? Mr. Anonymous attendee, till December stamp duty is 2%. Can we do registration by December? No, it is not possible because हमारे जो सारे परमिशंस है आपके नाम पे, जो टाइटल डीड वगैरह सब हम करने वाले हैं, ये फरवरी तक ही प्रोसेस होगा. आपका अभी तक का जो है वो 2% नहीं है, आइडली इट्स 3% एंड जैन टू मार्च इज 3.5%, ठीक है. उसके बाद भी शायद एक्सटेंड हो सकता है. व्हाटएवर द एक्चुअल इज दैट टाइम वी विल एक्सटेंड दैट टू यू. Mr. Anonymous attendee, how is water availability 24/7? It's a borewell which is there, so it's 24/7 round the year. And वो सब water connections वगैरह हम आपको करके दे देंगे. Mr. Anonymous attendee, how far vegetable fish market from this project? So यहाँ पे in and around दापोली में restaurants, vegetable general stores सारे हैं कोलठरे के आसपास, ठीक है, कोलठरे गांव है उसके आसपास. आपको अगर मेन मार्केट चाहिए तो विच इज इन दापोली, जो दापोली मार्केट है, दापोली बस स्टैंड है, तो उसके आसपास है, जो यहाँ से 12 किलोमीटर पे है. तो सेम सेम थिंग है, मिल जाएगा आपको बेसिकली यहाँ पे. Mr. Anonymous attendee, I have unit booked in Lodha, Upper Thane, whose possession is about to come April 21. Now, can I use that as a mortgage to get a loan on booking a 7,500 square feet? आप बैंक को अप्रोच कीजिए, आपको वो मॉर्गेज लोन देते हैं तो आप उनसे लेकर 7,500 प्लॉट ले सकते हो, ठीक है, बट दैट्स कंप्लीटली द बैंक्स लायबिलिटी, सो वी वुड नॉट एबल टू कमेंट ऑन दिस. Mr. Roshan Sawant, is the KVA fixed? How will you decide? I didn't understand that the KVA. Are you talking about the rate as such, or what is the KVA? So if you can just come back a little clear on that, Mr. Sawant. I'm sorry, I didn't understand this. Mr. Anonymous attendee, can you share today's offer in detail? If you buy 2 plots, the offer is same for everyone. The offer is right in front of your eyes on the screen. For 1 plot, it's 12.512 lakh rupees, right? And out of that, the plot cost is 9.9 lakh rupees. By next weekend, we shut, and when we open again in the month of February, it will be hike of 2.6 lakh rupees. अभी आपको सिर्फ 99,000 rupees देना है, and you're enjoying the benefit of appreciation, which is 2.6 lakh rupees. So it will be great, Mr. Anonymous attendee, if you have shared that you want to buy 2 plots. If you can also share your name, it will just help us to contact you, right? We will give you our number also. So either which ways. Mr. Atul Mehta, what will be the security of the plot if we keep it vacant for a long time? It is a gated community, Mr. Mehta. So don't worry about the security. आपके प्लॉट को भी हम डीमार्क करके देंगे, उसको एक 3-4 फीट की कंपाउंड वॉल होगी, ठीक है. Ms. Smita Baliga, maintenance of property and services will be done by Lodha lifelong or outsourced later? It will be done. So of course it is outsourced, not Lodha. Matlab Lodha doesn't have a facility management company. It will be taken care by Lodha, but then it will be outsourced. Is there any 5-star hotel near to this project? So we have not 5-star hotel, but yeah, there are 4-star hotels. Fern ek hai. Rohit, which is that other hotel which is there?
One is the Comfort Inn, and second is the Fun, which are
right?
top 2 most resorts at this location, almost at a quality of 5-star.
Yeah, so it's but technically yes, it is a 4-star hotel. So hey, yeah, okay. Mr. Anonymous attendee, can you share any referral program now? So we do have a lucky draw, Mr. Anonymous attendee, right? Please do contact us. The number is on your screen. Please do contact us, and we'll share that with you. Right? So I think, have you already booked, since you're looking for a referral program and you want to refer any of your friends? Is that so? So then we do have it. Mr. Muhammad Inamdar, any other big hotel group club are developing any of the plots? Nothing as of now. Nothing as of now. Okay, Mr. Sawant, electricity KVA. It's too technical question, Mr. Sawant. So unfortunately, I'm from the sales team, so there's my other project team, which will be working for us. But I think this will be in a layman's language, this will be a 3-phase electricity. Nearest hospital to the Ms. Smita Baliga. So Rohit, I would want you to answer this question. I am not too sure about the name, so I don't remember it right now. The nearest hospital.
Hospital to community.
Yeah.
Okay. So nearest hospital to community is one of the Rajiv Gandhi. Then post that you have. So it's in the name of Rajiv Gandhi. Then you have 1 or 2 private hospitals as well. So yes, you do have 4 to 5 hospitals.
Yeah. So Ms. Baliga, we do have a couple of hospitals. I mean, it's just that I don't remember the name right now. I'll have to get back to my diary for that. But yes, there are hospitals, the basic hospitals which are there, right, in case of emergency and for your first aid treatment. But yeah, in case of any bigger issues, so आज आप पूरे बॉम्बे में भी रहते हो तो वाशी न्यू बॉम्बे थाने में जो रहता है उसको भी बॉम्बे जाना पड़ता है, हिंदुजा बॉम्बे हॉस्पिटल, तो आपको भी यहाँ से रत्नागिरी जाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. सो बट बेसिक ट्रीटमेंट इज यू विल गेट. Mr. Kush Ajwani is asking, Kaushik, please can you share your number and can you mail me the details? Mr. Ajwani, yes, I will just share my number with you privately, right? You can always refer that this is a webinar you can refer to and talk to me, right? So that's the number I've already shared with you. Mr. Anonymous attendee, maintenance charge remain constant. Yes, for now it will remain constant, but later on it may increase. सब जगह जैसे increase होता है, society में जैसे होता है, the cost increases, the maintenance cost increases, but अभी के लिए तो सब constant ही है. And in fact थोड़ा सा बाद में average out होता है क्योंकि 200 plots we are going to keep vacant, and once those customers also join, so it will be shared among them also. So also stagnant हो जाता है उसके बाद, मतलब एक रुपया कम होना चाहिए, but महंगाई भी बढ़ती है तो सेम ही रह जाता है, ठीक है. Mr. Anonymous attendee, will there be common parking free of cost or it will be within purchase property? See, you will have a road outside your property. So, आपके compound के बाहर आप गाड़ी park कर सकते हो. It's a road, and you can make a provision inside your plot also for parking. Right? Mr. Anonymous attendee, is it possible to buy a single square plot of 10,000 square feet? Yes, Mr. Anonymous attendee, it is possible to do that. 10,000 square feet का आप एक plot खरीद सकते हो. We will do the plotting accordingly, but for now, right now, while buying, right, since we have restrictions of the system, right, आप plot वैसे select करके, so you can contact either me or Rohit, or you can contact Ravinder ji on the number provided. Okay, they will connect you with us, and we will help you with that, right?
You can share your number or email address so that we can get in touch with you.
Yeah, because we don't have your name, Mr. Anonymous attendee, so we will not be able to contact you. Mr. Anonymous attendee, can I get a sea view plus mountain view? It's a coastal mountain, so so Dapoli is a I mean, it's a coastal sea region is what we call, but the main USP of Dapoli is sea. ठीक है, आपको कुछ हम pictures दिखाएंगे जिसमें mountain भी है, ठीक है. So that we will anyways get, but the main USP of the plot is sea. So because it's anyways a hill station, right? It is Konkan and Sahyadri, so it is located. You are already on a hill. Mr. Anonymous attendee, sorry, I meant 10,000 square feet, not square. Yeah, sure. Is there any extra charge for clubhouse or is included in the maintenance? There's no extra charge. We are taking a one-time cost which is included in the price sheet. Ms. Smita Baliga, since height restriction of 6 meters is there, can we build a no, you can't build a basement. no, Ms. Baliga, नहीं चलेगा ये जुगाड़ शायद यहाँ पे. So you cannot build a basement over here. How soon can I construct, and when will be your amenities ready, and when will be the security ready? So Tarun ji, everything, all the amenities and security will be ready at the time of possession. तो उसके पहले हम सब ready करके ही आपको possession दोगे, नहीं तो as simple as that कि आप possession लोगे ही नहीं हमसे, ठीक है. So please be rest assured, I totally understand your concerns कि एक land है, so everyone is skeptical. There are many of us who are maybe buying it for the first time and who never thought of buying land, and now they are thinking of buying because एक brand आया है. Please be rest assured, ये काफी smooth experience रहेगा सबका, ठीक है. Mr. Anonymous attendee, does the road to the project will be of government? Yeah, so there is already a road to the project, which is there's one Gomrai Marg. So government मतलब वो पंचायत है वहाँ पे, उनका रोड है, ठीक है. सो गोमराई मार्ग है एंड देन एक अगोम मार्ग है, ठीक है. ये दो मार्ग है. अगोम मार्ग के हमारा पूरा प्लॉट है, बीच में से अगोम मार्ग जाता है. लेफ्ट के गांव का नाम कुल्ठर है, राइट के गांव का नाम शीतल नगर है, एंड इनसाइड का रोड तो हम ही बना रहे हैं. सो रोड प्रॉपर है, प्रॉपर गाड़ी आ जाएगी, डोंट वरी. एनोनिमस आइडेंटिटी, रूफ इंक्लूड नो, इट्स G+1. आपका टेरेस है वो खाली रहेगा, बट वो टेरेस फिर आप कवर नहीं कर पाओगे लीगली. मतलब कुछ लोग करते हैं रूफ लगा के, बट लीगली नॉट. Whatever discussed now are in terms and conditions in application. Yes, it is there. We will share those terms and conditions with you separately also. Just wanted to check the same before applying for purchase. Understand refund is available. Yes, Mr. Anonymous attendee, I am just sharing my number with you. Please call me. I will take you through it again. Okay. So I have shared. Hope you have received. So that's my number. I have shared that with you. What is the property tax annually? So in that 5 rupees, the property tax is included. Mr. Tarun Ramchandaniv, I'm sorry, when is your possession? Possession is in the month of May, June next year. How much time maximum can I contract? And how much time maximum can can I construct? Okay, there is no limit for construction as such. You can choose not to construct also. Okay, I mean the construction time. So construction time एक 4-5 महीने में घर आपका रेडी हो जाता है या 6 महीने में मैक्सिमम, ठीक है। वहाँ पे मैं अर्ज करूंगा जब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर लोग हैं जो जिसका ऑलरेडी काम, क्योंकि ये यहाँ पे मेन प्रॉब्लम होती है लेबर। जैसे हमें शहरों में आदत है कि कुछ घर पे काम आया, बुला लिया, लेबर अवेलेबल है, देयर इज अ स्कैरसिटी ऑफ लेबर, ठीक है। सो एक 5-6 महीने उसमें लग जाते हैं। सो जो ज्यादा घर बांध रहा है आप उससे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेके वो सब देख के आप कीजिए, ठीक है। हमारे आर्किटेक्ट्स भी है, उनके साथ तो हम तुरंत आपको करके दे देंगे। 1000 into 3100 or okay, I missed that question.
Oh, sorry.
I'll just search. एक मिनट में देखता हूँ।
So,
तो और भी क्वेश्चन था कुछ। हाँ, so 1000 into 3100, 1000 into 2500 नहीं, 1000 into the so 2500 स्क्वायर फीट का प्लॉट है, 3000 स्क्वायर फीट का कंस्ट्रक्शन करोगे तो 1000 रुपया पर स्क्वायर फीट। सो 3000 into 1000, 2500 रुपये 500 स्क्वायर फीट का कंस्ट्रक्शन करोगे, छोटा सा घर बांधोगे 1 BHK तो 500 into 1000, ठीक है। वैसे हो गया, ठीक है। I'll take the balance Q&A. Property tax annually. Okay, sorry, we answered this one. But can you set up live camera at the project to see your project status? We are going to give you live cameras at the time of possession. So this is the security amenity which is there. Is a security feature. So आपका अगर plot देखना है possession के बाद तो हम देंगे। बट ये लाइव कैमरा एट द प्रोजेक्ट, मतलब इतनी सर्विस तो कोई डेवलपर नहीं देता आपको। सो ऑफ कोर्स यू आर मोर देन वेलकम टू गो एंड सी दैट। बट थोड़े मतलब कस्टमर्स तो जाते हैं तो पिक्चर्स आएंगे तो विल शेयर दैट विद यू। इज इट कंपाउंडेड प्लॉट? यस, इट्स अ गेटेड कंपाउंड, राइट। What is the height from sea of the land? 200 feet, Mr. Inani. So from the high tide line एक cliff है 300 मीटर की, so 200 feet. स्ट्रीट लाइट सेपरेट होगा प्लॉट को? यस, ये सब हम करके दे देंगे। तो ये आपके पूरा पब्लिक मेंटेनेंस पे जो 5 रुपीज हम ले रहे हैं उसमें सब में इंक्लूड होगा ये। कंस्ट्रक्शन विल बी डन बाय लोधा और लोकल का कंस्ट्रक्शन का प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं है मिस्टर इनामदार, हमारे लोधा के आर्किटेक्ट्स है जो हम आपको देंगे, लोधा वेंचर्स के साथ जो जुड़े हुए हैं, ठीक है। बट आप खुद का भी कर सकते हो। Can you share the Google location? Yes, Rohit, do you have it handy? Will you be able to post it?
Let me check 1 second. Yes, I do have it handy. 1 second.
Yeah, maybe just you want to paste it over here. If you call, so okay, and what I will do is, will I be able to share my screen? So I will just share one Google location. Okay, Mr. Tarun Ramchandaniv, last question. Can I know who's addressing this to us now? So my name is Kaushik Patil and I'm the general manager sales with Lodha Ventures. So I think you have my number. Also, I will give you my number again. So if you can make a note of my number, Mr. Ramchandaniv, it's 9619 060301. I'll repeat, it's 9619. Yeah, I'll repeat, it's 9619 060301. मुझे प्लीज कॉल करके ये वेबिनार का रेफरेंस दीजिए। आई विल बी एबल टू असिस्ट यू एंड आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है।
1 second, it is loading.
Yeah. SG on Lodha Ventures website, this project is not seen. Why so? Is Lodha Ventures a financial management? Yes, Mr. SG, it is. So I'll take you through all this. Okay, there is some legal reason behind this. So we will take you through all that. So please feel free to call us and we will answer your question. Again, I'm giving my number once again to you. How much gap is allowed between two plots? So plots are going to be adjacent to each other, Mr. Anonymous attendee. So एक आपकी बंगलो की स्कीम वगैरह कैसे आती है, तो वैसे ही ये स्कीम है। So Google location, Rohit. No, Rohit. What I was thinking is if we can just share it over here. So
Acha.
yeah.
That won't be possible because it's a Google pin location. I have to share it over the WhatsApp.
One
So it
minute,
will be
I'm
better,
just-
Mr. Buckle, if you can share the contact details so that maybe I can share the Google pin location with you.
Okay,
So,
I have shared it with him. So it's a Google location. You can just it's there. I have done that. It will be visible now. Yeah. Mr. Tarun Ramchandaniv, I hope all your questions are being answered. Still, if you have, you can always, ask question. Mr. Inani has raised his hand. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Inani, you can unmute yourself.
Can you share the Google location to me also on WhatsApp?
Sure. We'll do that. Ravinderji, we'll have his number, right? Mr. Inani's number.
yes, we do have it. So what I would suggest is our sales team will get in touch with all of you, and they will understand your queries and will connect with the closing team so that all your queries are answered.
Okay. Mr. Digankar is asking again. So, Mr. Digankar, we want you to book at least now, right? I think we've been in touch with each other for a while. So, you have my number also, right? So, please feel free to call me, and any other doubts you have, more than welcome. Yeah, and we'll answer those. Right, Mr. Tarun Ramchandani has a question. What all amenities? So, to answer your question, it is a community center, a wellness center, and an aqua zone, which is there. Can I have my own pool in my 2500 square feet? I would not recommend that, Mr. Ramchandani. It's not a practical thought because आप amenity के लिए भर रहे हो, आप maintain क्यों करोगे? You can have a small jacuzzi of yours over there, but I would still not recommend that.
800 मीटर दूर आप बीच है मतलब वहाँ की.
ठीक है. So I think Mr. Inani, anyone? Sure. Anyone else has got question can raise hand. Okay, no questions. Baby pool 3 feet. Yeah, Mr. Ramchandran, if you can do that in your house, you're free to do that. Okay, Mr. Anonymous attendee Ravi Shankar Singh ji has mentioned his number. We will call you back immediately for this, Mr. Singh. You'll get a call from Mr. Ravinder Singh for this.
Yes.
When will the amenities be complete? At the time of possession in the month of May 2021, the amenities will be complete. I have joined late, some anonymous attendee. Could you provide us your number, Mr. Anonymous attendee? We will contact you again and we'll give you a separate presentation.
ये अच्छा है यार. ठीक है. इसके किनारे पे तो बहुत नहीं है.
Can you comment? Okay.
भेज दो चाहो तो नहीं तो.
Can you connect? Okay. Yeah, we can connect. We can connect. I'll give you my number. Yeah. So he has given his number, Mr. Ravinder Singh. Mr. Anonymous attendee. Sir, if you can confirm your name also, it will be great for us if you're comfortable doing that.
Also, the ma'am who was having the question about the hospitals. So we do have in the nearby vicinities, you have Seva Niketan Hospital, Mehta Hospital, More Hospital, followed by, as I told, Rajiv Gandhi Hospital, and one of the name is Swami Samarth Specialty Hospital. So you have many hospitals in and around the vicinities.
Ravinderji, we have noted the name, right?
Yes, I've noted the name and his number. We will get in touch with them once the webinar is done.
Perfect. Sure. Mobile network, yes, we do have mobile network over there. So Jio का network ज़्यादा अच्छा चलता है वहाँ पे. Vodafone का तो शहर में नहीं चलता तो वहाँ दूर की बात है. So चलता है मतलब Jio is pretty good. Okay, can you share the slide one seaside now? Which we will send you, Mr. Tarun Ramchandani. We have your number. We'll send you the property booklet. ठीक है, उसमें कुछ है and of course you can get back to us. अगर presentation आपको फिर भी वापस लगे, आपको घर वालों के साथ वापस करना है, you are more than welcome to tell us, inform us about this, and we'll be happy to assist. ठीक है. Is Lodha Padmavati open for booking? No, it was a small plot, Mr. Nair, right? Before taking, so initially today what we have done is we have taken this brand to the market, right? आज हम वहाँ एक brand लेके आए हैं कि लोधा. बट हमने जब ये प्लॉट में किया तो 16 एकड़ पे पहले हमने एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट करके देखा कि क्या यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ रही है, क्या यहाँ पे पानी मिल रहा है, क्या लैंड फ्लैटनिंग, सॉइल तो अच्छा है. ये सब करने के बाद हमें ये लगा कि ठीक है, ये सब अभी चीजें अच्छी है, यहाँ पे एनए भी हो रहा है, द गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज, पंचायत बॉडीज आर सपोर्टिव ओवर देयर. ये सब करने के बाद फिर हम बड़ा लैंड पार्सल गो टू मार्केट प्लान बड़ा लेके आए, और इसलिए लोधा पद्मावती के लिए किसी को मार्केट में अप्रोच नहीं किया था, बिकॉज जहाँ ब्रांड इन्वॉल्व होता है वहां फिर नाम खराब होने का जाता है. सो व्हेन वी वर 100% श्योर एट आवर एंड, दैट्स व्हेन वी टुक आउट दिस प्रोडक्ट आउट टू द मार्केट. Miss Baliga, okay, so she's there. Rohit has answered your question regarding hospitals. Yeah, how far in terms of distance is the closest hospital to the community? So it's around 7 to 8 kilometers, right, Rohit? Yeah,
Right.
so it's 7 to 8 kilometers, Miss Baliga.
Range from 7 to 8 kilometers. Yes.
Yeah. If you want, I can propose Geo Giga Fiber at plot, high speed fiber core. Yes, Mr. Anonymous attendee, usually Geo Giga ही चलता है. आप गोवा भी जाओगे तो Geo Giga है. मेरा खुद का घर है गोवा में, मैं भी वहाँ पे जाके Geo Giga ही यूज करता हूँ, तो वही इंटरनेट चलता है. So of course we want to be our valued customer, and of course वहाँ से आपको और customers मिलेंगे. ठीक है, so I think we've answered, and thank you for your patience, everyone, right? And thank you for being kind enough to us, asking questions which help to gain more knowledge about the product. Okay? We look forward to board you as our valued customers now, right? You have our number, it is projected on the screen. Yeah, we are looking forward to connect with you. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much, Kaushik ji, for answering all the questions from our audience. And thank you very much, Rohit, for giving us a beautiful insight about this opportunity.
Pleasure.
Yes. If anybody has any queries, you can get in touch with me. My number is displayed. It's 9324 900 168. If you want to email, if any questions, you can email us at Ravinder, RAVINDER.Singh, SINGH @houseseekers.in. Or our sales team will get in touch with you and understand your queries and help you out. Thank you so much for attending this webinar.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.